Hello and welcome back to my channel, and over here I wanted to show you one of the most amazing creations I have ever created. So I do have a bunch of different creations that I create that are unusual and one of a kind, and this is just one of those. In fact, it is so unusual and so highly detailed. I don't think I can ever replicate this ever again. Let me show you how it actually looks like. And if you see it from the side, you know exactly what I mean. So this is a moon landing or like an out of space kind of a vehicle exploratory. So when you put this like that, it just drives like this. And it can do 360 as well. Well, use your own imagination. What it can do that most vehicles can't, it can go off roads. It can go on any kind of surface as well. You can see those wheels are very flexible. So it can go in places no other Lego minifigure could go before. But here's more to the matter. One, it got a gunship right here, just in case you have to blast some rocks or anything else that is right in front of it. Two, it has this piece right here, which is, and it keeps away certain things from hitting it, just in case. Now, one of the things that's really cool about this is that this piece goes actually up. Put this here. It accidentally went off. Two antennas exist right here, and those are antennas that, you know, for the radio. There is a minifigure right inside the cockpit right there, if you can see it. He goes right inside and climbs in. Then he climbs out. It's not that easy for him to do this, but this is the cockpit that keeps him inside of it. One more thing here is that there is another way to access the back, and you can actually open it up. There is a way for you to open it, and he can potentially go in from the back door as well. But this is not easy for me to access right now, so you have to take something apart to open it up. But it just shows you that it is available. It has an engine all the way at the top where the, it gets all the fumes out from here, out of the way. On the back, there's two minifigures that are sitting. And if you've seen the movie Aliens, this is something from the movie like Aliens 2 or 3. They sit on this, it gets off, and when you take it off, each of those that comes off is now all by itself. They are manning those very nice suits, and they can, pick up things and stuff like that, which is kind of cool. And each of them has a control in their hand. I don't know if you can see it. There's miniature control in each of their hands. Plus there is a blaster right behind that blasts it up or down. Then when they're done with the job, they blast back in to the storage area right there. Here's another thing. This is a set of lights that can go from here. It can be transformed to go to the front as well. So that's kind of cool. If you take this out, you will see another dude sitting on the back. So two guys right here, two of them. One guy right here, another one inside here in the cockpit. So this pretty much sums up this very awesome looking, and this is a MOC, do-it-yourself, custom made, and it's not for sale, by the way, in case of anybody like asking like, yeah, well, can I get this? Well, this specific one is not offered for sale just because it's so unique and the pieces are so unusual and rare to get that I hate to let this one go. Other than that, I do think it is due for a little bit of a makeover. So after a while, after I create those sets, I look at them a few years down the road, or of course later on, and I see that I made a few mistakes, or maybe I see some pieces that I should actually replace. And that's a good thing. So after a while you look at them. Now, if you're interested, I do have one even more interesting than that. In fact, I have a lot of those that might be very interesting. So if you do like this very interesting looking space exploratory vehicle, let me know what you think of this. Let me know what I should name this, and let me know if you want to see any more videos showing interesting looking mochas such as this one or other ones. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to this channel and show your support, and see you in another video. Just in case you want to take a look at it again, here we go, and have a great day.